Hey, what's up guys? Basically, right here, I'm taking this trade towards like the low of this, right? Because I'm expecting price to low-key rebalance its fair value gap, because it low-key, like, this is gold, right? It keeps going bullish, bullish, bullish. So basically, I'm expecting price to low-key like rebalance the fair value gap, just like this one over here. So I'm expecting that's why I'm taking this price action towards this 15-minute draw on liquidity. So as you guys can see, I'm taking it towards the 15-minute draw, this low over here, this order block, okay? This demand level order block. So I'm expecting price to just hit this sub TP over here, right? Again, as far as market structure shift goes, I have a 1 minute market structure shift, as you guys can see, and I have this I entry like over here, right? This is a horrible entry. I was supposed to enter here, right? I get this at this order block. Okay. Anyways, we're taking this trade towards the again, I'm on demo right now because I'm still adapting to the market. Again, look, we're taking this towards the 15-minute draw on liquidity. Okay, that's basically this trade. This one is going horrible because I entered here. I was supposed to enter here. Okay, so the reason for this trade is simple. We're drawing towards the highs, these highs over here, right? So I'm expecting a bit of a reaction after it draws here. This didn't really draw there, right? So I'm expecting price to still keep drawing higher. And overall, again, this is a horrible entry, but I'm just on demo trade, so that's why I'm taking this. Anyways, this internal high, all this trend line liquidity is built up, so that's why I'm expecting price to be extremely bullish, right? And as you can see, there's no other like opposing PD areas either, because this order block has been reclaimed. This order block has been reclaimed by this, and this order block has been reclaimed by this move up. Okay, so let me just get rid of that. Okay, so let's go to the 15-minute. As you guys can see, this is the stop loss. Okay, I'm putting my stop loss here, and this was the point where I was supposed to entry. So, but I entered over here. Like it's a horrible entry, but it's paper, so I don't really care. So over here, as you guys can see, we have a high, low, high, high, and low, low. We have a market structure shift of fair value gap over here, PD array, and then we have this order block, like PD array, like sorry, fair value gap over here has been retested. As you guys can see, this whole fair value gap has been manipulated. We have had a stop hunt on the 1 minute. I'm not too interested in this, but as far as I can entry somewhere like here, I could have just entered, like if I entered here, I can entry here and then put my stop loss here and still follow order flow. Even to, I'm taking this towards the 15-minute draw on liquidity, but I could be safe even taking this trade over here. So that basically the concept, I entered over here. This is a horrible entry, but I know for a fact that it's going to draw towards this, because if you look at the 1 minute structure as well, it's basically swinging upwards because we have internal term high broken. Okay, it's basically swinging higher. Okay, so we can see this structure over here. It's going from a bullish program, bearish program, bearish program, bullish program, pullback, higher, right? Why? Because the 15-minute draw on liquidity is higher, right? So I'm taking it first towards this 15-minute draw on liquidity. Okay, this is basically balancing out this this liquidity over here at this, right? So basically because this fair value gap over here has been mitigated over here, as you guys can see. So it's basically, this is drawing towards this. It's going to sweep this and it's going to go higher towards the 15-minute draw on liquidity. Simple as that. Okay, simple as that, because it took out this high, this internal term high as well, as you guys can see. So pretty much we're just going to wait and let the price play out. Again, this was a horrible entry over here. Don't entry on this. And yeah, this is basically so it draws towards here. Okay, it draws towards here. Let's see, still expecting price to be bearish. It's like supposed to balance this fair value gap and then go higher, right? So obviously that's why I'm expecting price to be bearish until this point. So that's why I'm taking this here. Okay, it's okay, let it play out. Okay, so we're entering from here. I have my order block somewhere here, so it gives me a 2.4. So apart from that, we have NASDAQ. So now NASDAQ, I did some charting yesterday, if you guys saw my yesterday stream. And as you can see, this is an entry that I missed because price did not pull back here. Anyways, let me do some fresh charting today. Seems like it's bearish. So let's see what's going on here. Okay, so seems like we have in fact swept this, right? So now we're bearish for a while. We're going to be bearish for a while because this leg of price action needs to be like this leg of price action needs to be like sort of balanced out in order for it to be bearish. But overall, we have all this unswept highs as well. So expecting price to low-key just draw higher, right? So anyways, as you guys can see, we have a sweep equal highs over here. So I'm expecting price to rebalance this fair value gap, right? I'm expecting price to still be bearish, okay? Over here, as you guys can see, the momentum has died down. There's a lot more bearish pressure. So I'm expecting price to be bearish for a while. So I'm expecting to, okay, as you can see, it's, this is a corrective move on the 4 hour. So I'm expecting price to do this on the basically it's on the substructure. So what I'm expecting price to do is I'm expecting to take this trade from here, somewhere here, put it above this order block, right? And then target maybe here. I could low-key put my stop loss like over somewhere like over here, okay, parallel to this. So if let's say for example we see the 1 minute, let's say there's the 1 minute CISD is not really done. As you can see, we have this 1 minute CISD, but it hasn't really pulled back. So I'm expecting price not to really pull back. So I'm just going to entry because it's a paper trade. So I'm just trying to learn. Okay, so we're in. A horrible entry once again. I wouldn't just randomly entry here, but again, we don't really have any specific news. It's just this one at 8:30 my time. So yeah, pretty much we're shorting the market, and it's basically going towards that. Okay, it's pretty simple, pretty fucking simple. Okay, so we have we're on a bit of a retracement right now because again, this was a horrible entry. I was supposed to enter here, so at this point we're still in profits. Okay, because like this was supposed to be here. Okay, anyways, yeah, so over here again, this was also supposed to be here. Okay, this is the real point. Okay, so this is just a temporary pullback to rebalance this liquidity at this, like I explained at the swing low. It's going to rebalance this liquidity and then manipulate and go higher. Okay, so again, if I look at the 1 minute structure, it's going to manipulate. At some point it's going to lose momentum after balancing out this order block. Okay, this range right here, because there's a lot of liquidity in this area right here, and it's going to rebalance this and then manipulate, lose the momentum, and then go higher. Maybe have a stop hunt, but ignore this. Okay, so I'm just going to cancel this. Actually, I don't really like the fact that we have a completely invalid trade entry going, because I entered somewhere here. That's like horrible, right? So again, let's wait for price to finish the round. So 1 to 4, 4.2. So let's wait for price to sweep. See the momentum starting to die down, as you guys can see. But here's the thing, right? So at this point, like once you see the first breaker structure, like let's say for example, once you see the first breaker structure on like here, 15 minute, you're gonna put the stop loss at break even, right? Like 10 pips below break even, like over here. That way you save the trade. Okay, this is how you trade, literally how you trade. Okay, so this is basically the 1 minute, just like I said, manipulation. Look, just like I said, bingo, right here. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. See? Okay, thank you. So yeah, just like I said, this is a manipulation right here. As you can see, fair value gap has been manipulated, and we have the distribution like right after. Just like I said, the momentum died down right here, and just like I said, see, we're seeing the rejection in price, just like that. 1 minute fair value gap has been tapped into. This whole area of liquidity over here. See, just like I expected. So now we're gonna go higher towards the 15-minute draw on liquidity. So I'm very confident it's gonna hit TP. Okay. Again, this is also a horrible entry. I was not supposed to enter here. I entered at this red line, but I was supposed to enter here. Okay, so again, this is paper trade, so do not entry on this. Just like back testing basically, because my back testing is unfair. Like this ran out, and I can't pay for it because of the government restriction bullshit. Again, this one, the same story here. I entered here. I was supposed to enter here. Okay, again, ignore this. Okay. I'm just gonna close the position because it gets super confusing. So this is where I entry. Okay. This is where I really entry. And this is my stop loss, okay? I'm not changing anything over here. Once it has this first breaker structure on the 15 minute, that's when I put this at break even, okay? That way I don't really lose any money either. Again, this is just a pullback, okay? I expect price to pull back towards this order block, reclaim, and then go lower, okay? So that's pretty much, it's pretty simple. Okay? Everything is pretty simple. Easy stuff. As you guys can see, same story here, as you can see. It's going towards a stop hunt. Again, prime example of a stop hunt. It's going for a stop hunt. At most, it will hunt this liquidity over here, stop hunt, and then go higher. 1 minute stop hunt. Easy. Okay, pretty simple. Again, so those 3 are the trades that I'm taking today. Okay? So again, those are demo trades because I don't want to I want to build my confidence. As you can see, it's going towards a stop hunt, guys. Look, it's going to stop hunt. Almost, but price wants to stop hunt. I think it's most likely just going to stop hunt and then go higher, just like I explained earlier. See, the first step into the fair value gap is just the fake out manipulation, and we have the second manipulation, which is the real manipulation, because that creates a strong low. You know why? Because the stop hunt is over at that point. Okay, so that's how you stop. Not see, just like I said. Okay, just like I said. Now watch. See, stop hunt. Stop hunt, just like that. Okay. I wish I could just zoom into like the 1 second chart. I can't just zoom into 1 second. Okay. So we stop hunting the whole fair value gap. Right. Look, boom, manipulation. Stop hunt, manipulation, distribution right after. Okay. So again, I'll update you guys again. See the distribution momentum kicking in over here. See. So on like a 1 second, this is like a market structure shift. Look, distribution. This is a stop hunt. Anyways, I'm not too bothered because my like entry is somewhere all the way down here. So on the 1 minute, right? So anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll update you guys in a few hours when the trades. Okay, seems like there's a bit of a wrinkly momentum over here. That's fine. Okay, let's let it play out. And don't worry, it's just the 1 minute. Sometimes it just tweaks like this. It's okay. All right, so I'm just gonna let this play out, and I'll update you guys of how the aftermath in a few hours. Okay, because it's gonna take a few hours to hit. Right, I'm not trading anything else yet. I'm not trading GBP or any of that. I'm trading Euro USD, gold, and NASDAQ. Okay, those are the only 3 pairs that I'm trading today.